This is an unboxing video of the Vortex Viper PST Gen 2 rifle scope. And as we can see here, this has a 5x25x50 magnification on a front focal plane, and it has an EBR 2C MOA BDC reticle. Looks like we get some lens caps, a nice thank you message, and some details about torquing. That's always really helpful. And here we can see we have a shade. Let's take a look at the scope. Comes with a Vortex sticker, cleaning cloth, and tools, and a battery for the illuminated reticle. Right off the bat, this feels heavy and solid. Notice that as we look here, we can see pretty chunky and tactile looking turrets. A lot bigger and better than the HS that we looked at, and much heavier, more solid. Feels more like a tactical long-range scope than the hunting version. And really nice feeling, tactile turrets. The usual features has a diopter, and we have magnification here, and illuminated reticle and parallax. All feels smooth, well made. Again, one of the benefits of a good price often goes with the manufacturing, so this product is made in the Philippines. It feels great. Let's just see what it feels like weight-wise. So 1 pound 15 ounces, pretty much middle of the road for a high-quality long-range scope. So that is a quick unboxing of the Viper PST Gen 2 rifle scope.